Hello, it's Gem Games here once again, and today we are going to add yet another weapon to the game. So yeah, let's get started. I think the weapon that we want to add is here at the FPS weapon bundle, weapons, meshes, and this SMG11. And I think I want to add this no stock version. And we want to use the Y version again, because it has the right rotation. Yeah, let's open that. And let's actually move it here. Let's click this skeleton. Now we can close this. Now we have it open here. So what we want to do, we want to go to our blueprints folder and to the weapon data table. And we want to find our pistol, which should be the first one. Let's duplicate it and rename it to 6. Now let's change the single fire to automatic. Let's change the mesh to SMG11 no stock Y, so this one. Recoil amount, what should I put here? Let's make it like 0.6. Recoil, yeah, like 0.3. I think that's good enough. Pullback amount should be around. Let's make it like that. Let's make it like 2. Fire rate, let's make it 0.08 or something like that. Bullet spread, let's make it 300. S4, let's make it, I think the 80 is pretty okay. Ammo max clip, so let's make it like 24 maybe. Total, let's give it like 6 max, so 144. And then let's go here to the bottom. Damage, let's make it like, I don't know, 40. We're gonna adjust this later on when we start to create some levels. So yeah, ADS time to 0.2, that's okay. And let's name the socket SMG11, like that. And now let's find our pistol B fire Q. Let's duplicate it once more. Let's call it, oh, I didn't want to do it like that. Oh, shit. Why did it do it like that? Okay, I have to change this name again. SMG11, okay. Now I'm here at the, let's rename this SMG11 fire Q. I will open it and change the pitch multiplier to 0.4 and maybe like 0.8. Where's multiplier. Okay, sorry, I cannot pronounce that. Okay, after that, we want to select it from the weapon data table. So SMG11 fire Q, like that. And yeah, I think everything is done here. Now let's save. Now we want to go to our content, first person blueprints and animations, APP FPS player. And let's wait it to open. Okay, here we are. Let's go first to the idle. Now let's copy this pistol one because we want to use these animations. Let's copy it here. I think we will later on add some like structure that we will use for these animations, so we don't have to every time like add this here. So yeah, but let's do it like this still. Later, let's change it. Okay, so let's connect that pistol one idle to blend pose 6. Now let's go to the movement and let's copy this pistol one logo from here, connect it to here. And let's add a blend pin. Connect that to that blend pose 6. Now let's go back. We were at movement. Yeah, we were there. Let's go to the sprinting. Let's copy this sprinting thing here to here. And actually we have to add the pin first. Let's get the blend pose 6. Compile, save, and let's go back. Now we want to go to the falling. Let's get the pistol one logo. Add a blend pin. Blend pose 6. Compile, save. Now we want to go to the ADS. paste it here. And let's add the plant pin like this. So let's check. So we are at the ADS, we have all here. Let's go to the falling, we have all here. Idle, done. Movement, done. Sprinting, done. Okay, save. And now we don't want to close, we want to click this our player skeleton. And now we can close the any blueprint. And now we want to preview animation, pistol, one static. So this animation. Okay, now we want to find our hand R and we want to remove all attached assets. Now we actually want to add a socket. Let's call this socket SMG11. It should be named exactly as the one in the in here, socket name on the data table, SMG11, like that. SMG11. Okay. Now we want to get the rotation. I think the pistol 1 rotation was pretty okay. So minus 8.8, 4.7. So minus 8.8, 4.7. And pistol 1, minus 2, 15.5. So minus 2, 15.5. And what else? 8.6 and 58. 8.6 and 58. Okay, and actually we didn't even add the SMG11 preview mesh. So SMG11 no stock Y. But it should be pretty much there. I actually want to move it a little bit, so a little bit up, like this. And then I want to rotate it a little bit. So I think that's looking pretty nice. And maybe... Okay, that's pretty nice. Save it. And we can... Actually, we don't want to close that yet. Just so we can test. So let's go to the... Where were we? Here. And let's change this to the 6. Like that. And let's try, see how it looks when this starts. Okay. It's there. And it's on the hand. Like it actually it's clipping a little bit through the hand, so let's go back to here and let's move it a little bit up like that. I think that's better, actually a little bit down. Okay, there is okay. Let's try again. Okay. No, okay, let's add the other things that we need for the weapon. So yeah. Where have we have to go to S key SMG11 no stock Y skeleton now. Now we want to click the beacon root and add socket. First socket should be called 1. This is the measurement socket. And okay. Move it a little bit back like that. And then I want to add the socket called 2. That's the other measurement socket. Each are one there. Then I want to add the ADS socket. And I want to actually move it to the hole there. Like to the middle. I think it's pretty much there. And then I want to move it back like this. And then we want to add the rotation. It was 180, 90, and minus 90. Now the rotation should be good. Now we need to add the muscle. So muscle like this. And we want to move this up and to here and to here. And let's actually check that it's actually right there. Pretty much there. Okay, it's good. Now let's add the relative rotation. So 180, 90, and 190. Let's save. And now when we try, everything should be working correctly. So it's there. Okay, I think my the weapon sound glitches for some reason. We will have to fix that, but yeah. Okay, this actually works pretty nicely. Let's check the weapon sound. I have a lot of some kind of errors here. I don't know why. Okay. Where do we want to go? Yeah, let's go to the weapon data table and let's find our SMG11 FireQ. Let's open it, and yeah, here we have this concurrency. Concurrency overrides max count 16. Let's make it like 50. I think we had it here at the pistol B also. Yeah, 16. We can make this also 50. It doesn't actually matter because we can fire that pistol that's like rapidly. This is basically how many times per second you can shoot it. I don't know if it's per second. I think it's actually per the time that the sound cue from before is playing. Like if there are other sound cues still playing, then you can only play 50. Like 50, if it goes over, it doesn't spawn anymore before the first ones have despawned. Okay, so now it should work. And yeah, it works, and this looks pretty good. Okay, yeah, I think that was all for this video. If you liked what you saw, please click the like button and subscribe if you want to continue watching this series. And yeah, see you in the next one. Bye.